Okay guys, so here I have some hot pepper, Scotch Bonnet pepper that I want to plant, and I also have some bungo peas that I want to plant as well. I'm going to be planting them in these containers, and I will transfer them after a while. So in this container I have some dried leaves that I'm going to be using, and some paper. I don't have cardboard, so I'm improvising. I'm using some paper that I damped, and I'm going to put these in the 2 containers after adding soil. And though I also have some pumpkin that has gone bad, I'm going to be adding this so I can, try and make the soil as rich as possible. Alright, so first I'm going to be adding a bit of soil to each container. There's something miraculous about planting seed. Yes, it's like you hold this tiny seed in your hand, and it's like a little promise, like an invisible promise, but it has this possibility, to do something great in the future. All this soil that it has beneath it, and the sunshine above, and it's like this little seed has a blueprint, for a promise, a life ahead. Soon you will see roots and leaves that will spread out, and lovely fruits to nourish your body. Something to look forward to. It does something to you. It does something to me. So planting a seed, it's more than gardening. It's an act of hope. It gives you hope and faith that life will continue. You know, each seed we plant is a little song of creation. It reminds us that growth takes time. It does, and you have to have patience and care. And we cannot rush the soil, and we can't force the rain to fall. But what we can do, what's in our power, we can nurture, and we can protect, and just watch and wait quietly. Just like life, you know. In our life, we have to be consistent, and sometimes increase, and positive outcome it's not seen at first, but when it's produced, it's far beyond what we imagined or ever hoped for. I think planting, when we plant, we are participating in the story of life itself. You know, seeds can teach us resilience and teach us hope and teach us to trust in small beginnings, you know? Even the tiniest seed, when you give it space and proper care, it can grow into something remarkable. And there's a lesson, I think there's a lesson in every garden. Life starts small, but it requires nurturing, and it can flourish. It can flourish in ways that may surprise us. And when we plant, it's not just about food or flowers, it's about life and growth and enduring promise that what we saw today, what we see today can nourish tomorrow. So yeah, I have started this little garden, this little backyard gardening with all of that in mind, you know, waiting on the life lessons and the joy that's going to come in the future. Yeah.